Hey guys, it's Mellytime here and I'm on TheDuttyBerryShow for the top content creators for 2025. What them I say? Petal there, tulips there, the whole works there. Where them I say I know? Yeah.
Melllytime, what kind of girl is she? Yeah.
You know, Melllytime is a God-fearing person. You know, she's all about life. She's all about living. You know, she's a loving person. She loves her mother very much. And she's all about, you know, enjoying life and just being out there. And she likes being around persons who want to live and who are all about life. You know, we are a vibrant soul, love acting. Everything that has to do with joy, that's Melllytime.
How exactly did you get into content creation?
Well, ever since I was a child, you know, I love acting and thing, and I teamed up with some other friends who like content creating as well, you know, like-minded persons. So you have Ado and the whole works, and you know, we came together. We entered a TikTok talent show. And then from there, we were like, you know, we can come together and do things. And, you know, we just come together and started the content creating from there, you know, and I have a passion for it. So that's basically where it started. Good girl, that's a me. Boy, I'm not like, thank God, I'm not the gym because the air bad. And the signal pour up here, like him. I wonder where him there. Now run certain joke with boy and I'm going to come up here come disgrace him in front time friend them. I remember say the whole of them up here look me. I'll trust out my punch.
What video did you do last year that made you recognize that, wow, I'm definitely in a one different gear in my career?
I think it was the downtown scene, Queenie. That character, I embodied that character, the whole downtown vibes and everything. You know, and yeah, being a vendor downtown, and persons were like, "You're sure you're not born in town? You're sure you not come from town?" Oh yeah, you know, you embodied that. So I think that was it, the Queenie character.
Now, was that your most viral video? And if not, what would you say are like your top 3 most viral videos last year?
My top three was where Queenie, downtown scene, Miss Petal with Ado. I think that we were at the banana tree scene right there. That was one of the most viral videos. And basically anything we do with Queenie and Petal, you know, tulips, maintenance there, yes, maintenance there, on the site, timing on the site. Yeah, man, a viral.
No, I might not recall all your characters' name, but I know one where I was first introduced to you. I'm gonna say, boy, I forgot make piece of follow. It was the girlfriend on the live and stuff with your somebody. I think
that was that's Get a Fabulous. Get a Fabulous. Yeah, don't forget Get a Fabulous. Get a Fabulous. Yes, it's a reason. Trust me. One of the backbones of everything that I'm doing. Get a Fabulous. Being in the studio and I go on the most with Booby, and you understand me? Yeah, my studio, and a boy can't control and so yeah. And a lot of persons want to see more of it, guys. I do not forget about Get a Fabulous coming back.
No, which character of yours would you say that you are probably like the most like, and which character are you the farthest away from in a real life?
So you know, see she buy him phone.
That means every little thing she buy him. Every young boy coming at the community, she catch them. I beat them in her belly.
Me but still in the one room.
More them dead already. More them dead already.
I see them.
Like she did alive. Like she did alive.
Wow. You know, I am really not like my characters. Honestly, I'm reserved. I'm very much reserved, and persons do not believe. Honestly, I'm very much not like my characters. But you know, once I go in front of the camera, a different thing.
Yeah.
My alter egos.
Mm-hmm. If any of your characters were to go and pop the balloon, which one you'd have sent to the front of the line?
And Queenie.
How you think Queenie would have react if she did here now and she realized she should step up and I probably like Jaden, and Jaden come pop the balloon for now? How you think Queenie would have react?
But that makes sense. We have fun. Money my combo. Yeah.
No, I'm sure, you have many people who love your content and supporting your content, but you ever book up any public figures, any celebrities that you see and you're like, wait, oh, you reach over here.
Many, and I appreciate them, Agent Sasko is one, Scatterburrell is one, Smas Gossi, which is my uncle, is one. There are so many, and I appreciate. I really do appreciate.
Yeah, and I saw recently. I saw a Rebel.
Rebel,
a video.
God, Rebel,
Yes.
Mr. Rebel. Oh my God, Rebel is a sweetheart, and Rebel I promote my word, Gooda. You understand? I just give to Rebel. Mr. Rebel, go on with it. Take it at your word. You understand? Me copyright it. Gooda.
No,
Yeah.
what does Gooda mean, and how can you use it in a sentence? So just drop it in.
So Gooda knows anything for the good. Anything. Once you love it, you like it. You understand? The food that tastes Gooda. You understand me?
So we can say Mellytime
My dress
content,
well Gooda. Yeah, my content's Gooda. Yeah, so anything I do it good. You understand? We just put the app on it.
Okay. Now, what kind of opportunities did you get last year? Because now, since you're rising to popularity in the country, I'm sure probably brands and people are calling you for the here and there. Talk to me about some of the opportunities that you had.
My opportunities were interviews, one on CVMs at Sunrise, The Observer, that was a major one for me. Different platforms with interviews, different brands work with me, like Popeyes, have something in store with Red Stripe and other companies. So, that's a big thing for me, and I really appreciate them appreciating me for what I do and want to work with me. And also Yummy as well.
Awesome. No, you can walk us into like your process when you are creating, because you're a true content creator and an actress. Like, you have an idea. What are the next steps? How you go about it when you say, all right then?
Everything we do improv. Like, I cannot plan anything else. So once I'm on set, then the idea comes to me and we just freestyle on set.
So you're like a real, true, natural talent. You just...
Natural. Like, if you say to me, plan something or do something, can't do it. Once I'm on set, it's out of, or whichever actor I'm working with at that time. So you said something and I bantan, they said something and I bantan. So basically, just pure improv.
Yeah. Now, as a content creator, how do you find the collaborative process? Because I must say you work with a lot of other talents, actors as well, new in the game, some established. Like, how you find the process there? I deal with different personalities.
Okay, well, for me, I enjoy collaborating. I think worse if I'm in I wouldn't want to say better position, but if I have more, I have more and I want persons to come in because they enjoy doing it, we give each other the opportunity. So the process is not hard. It's just to work with like-minded people. Once you have a love for it and being on set, we just have good vibes, no negativity or anything. So just the like-minded, working towards the goal. We all have a passion for it. So basically,
somebody sees Melllytime and say, boy, I want to video them, but I love to work with her. What are 3 qualities they look for in somebody to make them say, you know what? They're me gonna collaborate. I'd be open to collaborating.
Dedication, being honest, and being passionate. And proper time management. That's something, very much. So being dedicated, having a love for it, and honesty.
So Mellytime, congratulations on being on TheDuttyBerryShow's Top Content Creators of 2025. I thought you had an exceptional year.
Right.
And one of the things I say, you have influencers and then you have content creators. And I think you're one of them where you're true to it. Right. Because you actually make acting, like the whole art of acting, be a thing again. Yeah. Because I'm not just like, the little play thing, you actually are coming to it with all of your characters, them, you're coming with or you're producing. And just the fact that you were able to capture a TikTok audience, that has to be celebrated, and especially as a woman in that space, because it's not enough girl. You could have gonna.
Big up, Gura.
How are you finding this newfound level of success now that you're walking at the streets, you debut there, you have your friends that chime in, your family, everybody will watch you, I'll go on all of these interviews now. How has the response been and how you navigate everything?
I love it and I appreciate each and every one. The love that I'm receiving from persons, it's out of this world. A lot of persons reach out to me and I be like, Mellytime, you made my day. I wasn't feeling well today and just going on your page brightens my day. My family members know I am literally the queen. I went to the the family reunion the other day and everybody want to sit down beside them. I say, God, this feel good here? Beer treatment, when I'm going to the, any business place, and I say, Miss Petal, first class treatment. I say, no, I can't. It's a going well, so I appreciate it. And it goes to show that the love is here. The love that I'm receiving, trust me, I appreciate each and every one of you, God knows. And the thing is that once I post, you live for my post, I live for your comments. Honestly, somebody just go through the comment section and I get full laugh. So it's a win, fan of a fan, win-win. So, I really appreciate you guys, honestly. And I cry about it as well. Just the love.
Yeah, do you get, are you connected to your content where if you post it and it doesn't feel well, it affects how you sometimes feel about yourself?
No, to be honest, no. All the different social platforms operate. Sometimes the algorithm is good, sometimes it's not. But I just want to post every day. I just want to stay. It's all about being consistent. So if I don't post, I feel away. But if I post and the views are not like as I would want it to be, I'm okay with that.
No, we can not talk about the whole Landlord series, that you have with Other Vibrant and the type of chemistry that you guys have. Like, was it just like this from day one, or was it something that you guys had to like work to establish?
Day one, it was like this from day one, and we just connect. I'm not sure but God did. We connect from day one, and then we work well. And it's like, sometimes it's like we're in each other's mind. Because I tell you, the way we banter on each other on set. So for example, if we're shooting with, other characters, and they're not, you see once other and I come in front of the camera, torture. And it's proven, so, yeah.
You having more friends big, that you have more popularity and some of them?
No, because I don't really keep those type of friends. I can't take the stress, I can't take poverty, I can't take the poor. I have most of our friends encouraging me to just go for it and do your best. They're really and truly happy for me, and I appreciate that, honestly.
Yeah, as the content creator journey continues, are you starting to see how probably some people who you expect for your corner now probably a switch up? Have you come across that as well, or did you already get rid of probably those energies from you from earlier on?
Well, at times, I do have that, and I do experience that, but what I do, I ignore it because, persons will eventually come around. Sometimes dealing with the fame, they don't really understand themselves, but I am God-fearing, as I said before. Once God is in it, no man cannot destroy it. So basically, that's how I deal with it. Just ignore it.
Yeah, and so no more if you go plug your social media, but I don't want you plug it just regularly. You can choose any one of your character them now for go and plug your social media. I want you to give me like, when you do like a party promo or something that somebody else want you to just talk about yourself and plug your social media with it, but just give me any one of your characters them.
Talk about myself?
Yeah.
My character? Yeah, what am I saying now? Big up Mellytime right there, so yeah. You don't know a queen and chulus, yeah.
Yeah, and where people can find it.
Gooda! My body Gooda, Mellitime. I'm going to spell it correct because I tell you the way you do me when you post my name. So it's Mellitime. Mellitime, Mellitime on all social media platforms. Time, yeah. So for Instagram, it's Mellitime. And on TikTok, Mellitime.